What's going on, world? Here is unboxing and short review of DJI's Ronin-S Command Unit. Now this will basically serve as your command unit, which will be perfect for adjusting all the settings on the Ronin-S on the go. You don't have to connect your phone and use your phone for all these adjustments. You can simply attach this, leave it attached, and use it. So let's open it up. Nice black box, as we're used to from DJI. Okay, a little manual. It doesn't say a whole lot. I'm sure more information is to be found on DJI's website. And here is the unit itself. As you can see, connectors on both sides, and you can attach it either on left side of the unit or right side. So that's really up to you. On the back you can see two thumb screws with the holes. I believe they serve for your Allen keys to tighten it more up, and nothing much going on. The joystick is multi-directional and clicks right in the middle to confirm. So let's get my Ronin-S right here. All right, here we have my Ronin-S. Let's adjust the alrighty, here it is. Okay, so as you can see, I have my monitor on the left, so I will be putting the command unit to the left, and so to do so I will have to remove the focus wheel. Make sure that everything is off, and let's remove the focus wheel. Okay, and here now, since I cannot attach it with a thumbstick like this, I'm gonna have to reverse it. So, and here we attach one and the other one as well. All right, let's use the Allen key and simply tighten it up. All right, and next let's reconnect the focus wheel. 1 and 2. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Nothing real hard to connect or disconnect. Okay, that's that. Next thing, you want to make sure that the gimbal is already nicely balanced with your camera on the top. So let's turn it on. Oops, okay, let's hold it. All right, here we go. And as you can see already, and it's already reversed. So that's awesome. Let me turn on my camera. It's attached on the top. I can actually show you. I have my A7R3 on the top, but that's not the point right now. Basic functions, settings, motor, smooth track, control, create, settings. In settings you can do test the balance, system calibration, gimbal restore, reset your password. I don't know what that is, what that means right now. And command unit, meaning which language, and if you wanna, which direction you wanna go. If you wanna go reverse, which this is the case right now, or you wanna go with normal, which would be the case if you mount it on the left side of the Ronin-S. Languages, you can have English and Chinese or Mandarin. So let's get back, and back you go right. If you have it on the other side, you go left. And oops, apologize. Okay, left actually. Left is back. Okay. So let's go through. You can test the balance here. Actually, let's get back. So in the motor, you have the auto tune, pan, tilt, roll, and advanced. You can go in smooth track. You can do pan, tilt, roll, control. Again, create, which camera is connected. In this case, it's Sony. Panorama, time lapse. Settings, we basically went there with settings already. And about, you can see device, DJI Ronin-S, battery, and version. Sort of to show you, yeah, you can, when you move your gimbal, it will show also the limit, like so. Very nice. As you can see in the left hand corner right there, there is a Bluetooth icon which refers to the unit being connected to the Ronin-S app. So once you connect your app together with the Ronin-S, it will show active link over there, and there you can do more adjustments and more advanced features. All right. So that's about it. If you would like to ask any questions regarding this unit or anything else that you see over here, make sure you write it down below. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos. I have another review coming up, which will be for the DJI's focus motor, as you can see over here. So stay tuned for that. Until the next time, thanks for watching.